go ahead and skip the introduction today because the introduction I recorded was crappy, the sound was crappy, so yeah. I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes for the look, and the look that I'm doing, I am recreating from an artist. Her name on Instagram is Milk1422. She is really bomb. She does makeup on face charts, and people from around the world, like makeup artists from around the world, they recreate these looks, and I'm gonna be one of those makeup artists today. She's really bomb, so you guys should check her out, check her page out, follow her, show her some love. Yeah. So first I'm going to go in on my crease area with this color. It's from this Profusion palette. It's a cheapo palette, but I like the palette. The color is Punk Princess. I'm just going to go in to my crease with that color. So going in my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, I'm going to go in with the two colors Gossip and Seas into my crease just to darken up the pink areas. And I'm also going to go in on my lids as well with that same mixture. So I've already applied my foundation and I'm setting my face now. I did that off camera because that part is like pointless because the whole point of the video is the eye look, so I've just skipped that part. And I'm just gonna go in with that leftover eyeshadow to the bottom lash line and just like smoke it out a little bit. I also went in on the bottom with the first color that I used to put on my crease. Going in the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to go in with that same Profusion palette using the color Genie in the bottle. I also went into this Ulta palette. It's like this Ulta palette. It doesn't really have a name for it. It just says Ulta. And it was like a icy blue. I just went in over that. And then I also went into my Sephora highlighting palette. And I took my white highlight shade and just went over that as well. And it gave me that nice ice blue glow. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes, my lips, the rest of my face, like the contour, the highlight, etc. off camera, and that completes this look.